Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel again. So guys, are you feeling overwhelmed for your CA Inter May 2025 exam preparations? Don't worry, I've got some fantastic news that can help you ace your exams with confidence. So the ICI Board of Studies is back with their Success at CA exam series. So basically two powerful series designed to boost your preparation and improve your chance of success will be conducted. So if you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post any new videos. So guys, when you visit my channel in the playlist section, you can see there is a separate playlist for CA Inter exams. So in this playlist, you can find different type of study plan, subject specific guidance and much more videos. And there is also a playlist for CA for students. In this playlist, I have made different videos in which I have shown as to how you can use CA while preparing for your exams. So do visit my channel and watch these videos. And there are various other playlists as well which might be helpful for you. So first we will discuss as to why you should attend these sessions. So now you might be wondering as to why should I attend these sessions? Well, here we have some solid reasons as to why you should attend these sessions. Expert guidance. So in these sessions, you can directly learn from the BOS faculty who are experienced professionals who know the syllabus inside out. Strategic insights. So they'll cover the syllabus smartly using smart study techniques. You will also learn about the common mistakes to avoid, and you will also learn the effective exam writing tips. Comprehensive coverage. Every subject from advanced accounting to strategic management. There is a separate session included for all the subjects. Flexible learning. The sessions are virtual, so you can join anytime from the comfort of your home. So in case you miss the live session, you can watch the recording as well. To know how to watch the recording, you can watch this video till the end. I will let you know how you can watch the recording as well. Now some important points as to how you should prepare before attending these sessions. Revise key concepts. So revising key concepts before attending these sessions will help you understand the advanced explanations better. Prepare your doubts in advance. So the faculties often address common concerns. So it's better to note down what are your doubts so that you can ask your doubts in the webinar. Have your study materials handy. So keep all your study materials and notes ready. This will help you to quickly note down any important tips. Now we will see the schedule and timing of this webinar. So the ICI is conducting two series of this webinar. Series 1 will be starting from 20th March and Series 2 will be starting from 8th April onwards. So these are virtual sessions. So let's see the schedule for the same. So there will be two sessions. So the session 1 timing will be from 11 a.m. onwards and the session 2 timing will be from 2 p.m. onwards. Now we will see the schedule and timing for series 1. So series 1 is starting from 20th March. So on 20th March, session 1, that is 11 a.m. session, you have paper 1 advanced accounting. And in session 2, that is 2 p.m., you have paper 2 corporate and other laws. Then on 21st March, in session 1, you will have paper 3 taxation, section A income tax law. And then in session number 2, you will have paper number 3 taxation, section B goods and service tax. Then on March 22nd, in session number 1, you will have paper 4 cost and management accounting. And in session 2, you will have paper number 5 auditing and ethics. Then on 24th March, in session number 1, you will have paper 6 section A financial management. And in session number 2, you will have paper 6 section B strategic management. So please pause this video and note down this timetable. Now we will see the schedule and timing for series 2. So in series 2 also there will be 2 sessions, session 1 and session 2. Session 1 will be from 11 a.m. and session 2 will be from 2 p.m. So the series 2 is starting from 8th April. So on 8th April in session 1 you have paper 1 advanced accounting. And in session number 2 you have paper 2 corporate and other law. Then on 9th April, session number 1, you have paper 3 taxation section A income tax law. And in session number 2, we have paper 3 taxation section B goods and service tax. Then 11th April, in session number 1, we have paper 4 cost and management accounting. And in session number 2, we have paper 5 auditing and ethics. Then 14th April, in session number 1, we have paper 6, section A, financial management. And in session 2, we have paper 6, section B, strategic management. So now if you are wondering how to join these sessions, joining this session is super easy. You can download the ICAI BOS mobile app, which is available both on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Store. Or you can also visit the BOS Knowledge Portal. These sessions will be available there also. Also, this session will be streamed on the ICAI CATube YouTube channel. And in case for any reason if you have missed watching the live session, the recording of this will be saved in the ICAI CATube YouTube channel. So when you go to the ICAI CATube YouTube channel, in the playlist section, a separate playlist will be created as Success at CA Exams for CA Inter May 2025. So in that playlist, all of the recording of these sessions will be saved. So in case you miss watching the live session, you can watch the recordings from there. So trust me guys, these sessions can make a huge difference in your preparation. Don't miss this golden opportunity to learn from the best and boost your confidence for the May 2025 exams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for more CA exam tips and strategies. All the best for your exams and I will see you all in the next video.